guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm Lulu, and if you want to learn how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm first going to start with this light green, and I'm going to put it above the crease. Also, you want to make sure that it's blended out, and by that you can do circular motions or windshield wiper motions. And then I'm going to be going in with this mint color and put it on the edge and on the inner corner. Again, making sure everything is nicely blended out. I know my brush looks blue, but it's not. It's a much darker green, and you're just gonna keep packing it on until you feel like it's dark enough. And once again, go ahead and blend out all the edges. And I'm going to be using the NYX Studio Liquid Liner in gold. And with this liner, you're gonna have to pack it on. So just let it sit and dry, and then go ahead and put another layer on. I think I used about 5 layers of the gold liner, so take your time with this. I'm going to be taking this black and this deeper green, and I'm going to put it on the lash line. Remember to keep your darker colors near the lash line and the lighter colors near the brow bone. And doing so, it will be a whole lot easier to blend and fade outwards. Once you are done with the eyeshadow, go ahead one more time and put on some more gold eyeliner, because when you're adding the dark eyeshadow, it tends to cover it up and takes away the shine. And to get the quote-unquote cat eye effect, you're gonna have to wipe under the eye, and it's gonna sound kind of funny, but connect it kind of towards your eyebrow, or like wipe it in that direction. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I'm going to be going with the Mega Illuminating Moisturizer by Glam Glow in shade Nude Glow. Then I'm going to be taking my Pores No More by Dr. Brandt. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and I'm in the shade Buff Fist. First, I'm going to be using a brush and then a sponge, because I just find it that it's more easy to distribute the foundation. And I'm going to be using a smaller brush to make sure I get under the eye, and mostly because I want to be careful with the eyeshadow. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, which I am running out actually in this video. And with the sponge, go ahead and blend that out. And I'm going to be using the RCMA translucent powder to set my under eyes. For contour, I'm going to be using the Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette by Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using shades Princess Cut and Angle. For nose contour, I use 2 brushes, one for a more precise line and the other one just to blend it out. After I'm done blending that out, I go ahead and throw on some setting spray, which in this case I did use the e.l.f. Mist and Set. And for highlighter, my all-time favorite, the Anastasia collaboration with Amrezy. I'm not sure if I said her name right, but forgive me. Usually before putting on foundation, I do put concealer on first, but since I was running out, I didn't. For the eyeliner, it'll be the Wet n Wild. I'm not sure what the name is because the letters have like came off, so I can't really read it, but yeah. And so on the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a black and deepen that eyeliner up on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with that green and put it under the black and buff it out. For my lashes, I am using Amora Lashes in Style Vixen. And I did use the Duo Glue brush on adhesive with vitamins. I don't use the white one because I am allergic to it, and I really like the black one, but if you were to like miss the lash line and get it on your eyelid, it will become kind of a problem because it takes off the eyeshadow and then you gotta go in again and fix it. So for my lipstick, I'm not sure what shade it is, but it is from Smashbox. And make sure your eyelashes are on and secure. For mascara, you guys already know I love my Telescopic by L'Oreal and Carbon Black. Alright my loves, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and continuing to support my channel. It truly means the world to me. And for all those who are subscribed to me, I will be doing another giveaway once again. I will post the details on my Instagram, so keep an eye out for that. Once again, loves, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye!